The peppered moth is a species known for its ability to adapt its color to the urban environment. Originally white with black speckles, the turn of the Industrial Revolution brought about a full black variety. The moth sure managed to live up to its name and spice up the scientific debate, only recently reinstating itself as the first true example of human-induced evolution. Could this nifty mechanism find new beginnings in the hands of human creators? In order to stay inside the spotlight and ahead of their game, any commercial business must watch out for new trends, keep customers close and competitors even closer. These fellas are pupating on a spectacular way to catch the eyes of thousands. Who's afraid of a little innovation? The chosen graphic is placed onto a structure serving as suitable sitting ground for the peppered moth. The seed is planted. Let the campaign begin. It can take a while for the required DNA to take the leap, and generations of moths are born before any change is visible. Unlike the world of advertising, nature takes all the time it needs. Time that can also be used to spread a completely different message. What can I say? Nature works in mysterious ways.